Hello traders, welcome to marketaddiction.net. Today is Wednesday, March 11th, 2009. The market didn't really do a whole lot today. Dow was up almost 4 points, and Nasdaq was up 13. S&P 500 was up almost 2 points. Basically a flat day. Starting off with the daily chart of the S&P 500, you can see that we're starting to stall out around this resistance area, which was the lows of last November. After we got this bounce up towards it, 50-day moving average is still declining. Got the 10-day below the 20-day, below the 50-day. Zoomed in here, the 60-minute chart. I've been pointing out this downtrend line that we had broke. 5-day moving average is starting to point up here, so this is a good sign for the bulls. I mentioned I was expecting a pullback, which I still am. I like to see the market come down to this 5-day moving average, come down and meet it, and then get a push higher. If we do get a setup like that, that would also form an inverted head and shoulders. But we've had numerous inverted head and shoulders so far in this market, and none of them has worked so far. But maybe this one will. It'll be something to look for. On the intermediate term time frame here, though, after this big rally, we can pull back technically all the way down to here before putting in lower low. So I probably won't be looking to enter too many shorts until it decides on a new direction. I'd mentioned maybe taking a long position in the S&P, or the spiders rather, if we do get a bounce off of here. But today didn't really show us a whole lot. We'll have to wait till tomorrow to see what happens. Maybe the rest of the week. I have a few stocks on my watch list, some pretty good setups. I'll just go for one short position, one long position. For any of you out there who's looking for some new stocks to trade. This is CNL. On the daily chart, we have this lower high in here, lower low after this big spike down. We have a declining 50-day moving average. We have the 10-day below the 20-day, below the 50-day. We got this bounce back up. Looks like we're consolidating a little bit. On the 60-minute chart, you see that we had this lower high. The 5-day moving average is starting to roll back over. We have the support area here. I think if we break below this support area, it'd be a good entry on the short side. We'll stop right above this level. Zoom back out to the daily for a target. We could come all the way back down and retest this low of around 875. I also have a good setup here on the long side, which is IOC. On the daily chart here, we have what looks to be a higher low forming here. We've had a higher high right here. The 50-day moving average is pointing up. We have the 10-day above the 20-day, above the 50-day. Zoom into the 60-minute chart. You can see that we've had this retracement. We've been consolidating the last couple days. Looking at the 10-minute chart, the 5-day moving average is still declining on this one, but I think if we can get it back, if we get back above this, let's see here, the $20 and 21.25 level, somewhere around there. If we can get a push back above here, let's look at the 30-minute chart. That would put us up above this 5-day moving average, give us a good entry on the long side for at least a move back up to this, looking at 24.15. So both of these are some pretty good setups, long and short, depending on which way you anticipate the market to go. Where you think we'll continue with the rally or get a further push down. Haven't checked the fundamentals on any of these stocks, such as earnings reports or anything, which I never do until I'm about to enter them. I do have several more stocks on my watch list. If you'd like to see the rest of them, be sure to check out my website at marketaddiction.net. If you're just watching this video on YouTube, check out the links on the side. Be sure to stop back and have a great day.